Everyone, we're starting with a big story developing right now in the Triad. A nurse in Forsyth County is accused of administering lethal doses of insulin to multiple patients.
It's just not the type of stuff you hear happening here. Let's send it over to WFON News 2's Amber Lake, who's live in Forsyth County. Amber, walk us through what we know so far.
Right, guys. So the Forsyth County District Attorney held a press conference earlier today where he went over the details surrounding this investigation. Now, he said he's going to wait for all of the evidence to come forward before he figures out a just punishment, but said all options are on the table as of right now. Now, I want to show you this on your TV screen. A source close to the investigation confirms the man that you're seeing right here in this article is Johnathan Hayes, the same man investigators arrested earlier today. Forsyth County District Attorney Jim O'Neill says the rogue nurse killed 2 patients and nearly a third while on the job. Through an investigation, police say Hayes administered a lethal dose of insulin to Gwenn Crawford and Vicky Lingerfelt. Both women died just days after the doses were given. Investigators charged Hayes with murder in relation to their deaths. Winston-Salem police also charged him with attempted first-degree murder after administering a nearly fatal dose of insulin to a patient, Pamela Little. Little did survive. Hayes was fired during the investigation and is currently in police custody. Now, neighbors of Hayes told me that they heard banging on his door this morning, and the next thing they saw was Hayes being taken out in handcuffs. You can see investigators taking bags of evidence out of Hayes' home on Ransom Road. The police investigation began on March 21st when Atrium Health Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center officials called detectives to the hospital about Hayes.
The acts of this one bad actor should not be a reflection on the medical professionals that provide excellent care to this community.
What is alleged to have taken place certainly does not represent the very high standards of safety and integrity that our dedicated teammates take pride in and display each and every day. We have conducted an in-depth analysis to ensure we have done everything possible so an event like this can never happen again.
Now, investigators said based on probable cause, they do not believe this is a case of malpractice. Right now, they're still investigating a motive.
If you or anyone you know may have information on this investigation, or you recognize that nurse, you might have had him, you think maybe there's another victim, there's a hotline available Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 p.m. Take a picture of this number on your screen. You can also watch the full news conference on this investigation on our website, WFMYnews2.com. Several people spoke, including representatives from Wake Forest Baptist. This is still a developing story. We will have more throughout the evening and on WFMYnews2.com.